Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 Mathematics. After exercise 1.2 we have the new topic as real numbers and their decimal expansions. About decimal expansions we will talk here. For this we have taken one example 5, it is given in textbook also, and find the decimal expansion of the fractions 10 upon 3, 7 upon 8 and 1 by 7 given. As we know that in earlier classes we were converting the decimal expansions for the given fractions by dividing simply. That is only done here. 10 by 3 means 10 is divided by 3, that is done here. 10 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 will be a 9 will be a 10 minus 9 1. And then in putting point here, we can take 1 0 here. It will be 10 again. So again 3 3s are 9, 3 here and 9 here, 10 minus 9 is 1. Once the point is there, so we can put 0, right? So again this is 10, so 3 3s are 9, remaining 1, and so on we will go, we will get the decimal expansion as 3.3333. What is to be noted here? The remainders. Here we note the remainders as the first remainder 1, then again 1, then again 1, and again 1 we are getting here the remainder. So remainders are 1 1 1 and so on. It will come 1 1 1. That we can notice here, and divisor is 3. In second division, this is the decimal expansion. In second division 7 upon 8, that means 8 will divide 7. It will not be divided because 7 is less than 8, so with 0 point we will make it 70, putting 0. Then simple division, 8 8s are 64, 8 and 64 here, 70 minus 64 is 6 will be remainder. Then again 8 will not divide 6, so we will, with the point we have taken 1, so 0 we can take here. Then 8 7s are 56, 7 here, 56 here, will be remaining 4. And because of point we can take 0 again. 8 5s are 40, here we get 0. And here it ends, the division ends, because we get 0 on remainder. So again the notice thing is, remainders are, first we got 6, then we got 4, then last we got 0. 6, 4 and 0. Divisor is 8. And the decimal expansion of 7 upon 8 is 0.875. Simple. And then 1 upon 7, the third number, 7 divides 1, it will not be divided, so putting point you can take 0. Similar way you divide it, 7 ones are 7, 10 minus 7 3. 3 will not be divided by 7, so because of point we can take 0. 7 4s are 28, 30 minus 28 is 2 remaining here. Then 0 you can put, 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14, 6 remainder, 0 we can put, 7 8s are 56, 60 minus 56, 4 remaining, 0 we can take, 7 5s are 35, 40 minus 35, 5, 0 we can place, 7 7s are 49, 1 remaining, we can put 0 because of point, 7 1s are 7, 3. So as you will notice and you will go ahead, 3 then 0 we can place, 7 4s are 4 will come. You will see that after 1 4 will come, then 2 will come, then 8 5 7. So this 1 4 2 8 7 1 4 2 7 will continue and it will not end, the division will not end. So remainders are, here we have done, first we got 3, then we got 2, then we got 6, 4, 5, 1, again we will get 3, similarly repeating it will be 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1, this will be the remainder, will be repeating and repeating. And it will not end because the remainder we are not getting 0 at any stage. The divisor is 7 here, that also we notice here. So from this notices, we have two cases here and two definition also. So case 1, the remainder becomes 0 after some stage, like in this second number example, 7 by 8, in that we got 0 after some stage. If we get the remainder, if the remainder becomes 0 after some stage, like example 7 upon 8, 0.875, we got its decimal expansion, And one more example we can take like 1 by 2. If you divide, you get 0.5. At the first stage only you get 0 as remainder. So in all these cases, like this type of cases where we get remainder after some stages, the decimal expansion terminates. You can say the decimal expansion terminates means ends somewhere. It ends somewhere, or ends after a finite number of steps. Terminates means it will end somewhere. Such numbers are called terminating. So these numbers are called terminating. Like 7 upon 8, it ends here. After 5, means 5 is the last digit. It ends here. So it is terminating. In 1 by 2 also 0.5 is the last digit. After that no digits are there. So it is also terminating. So this type of numbers where the remainder becomes 0 after some stages, they are called terminating numbers. And its opposite case too. The remainder never becomes 0. Like in first number, the remainder was not becoming 0 in any stage. Here also remainder is not being becoming 0. So 10 by 3, it is the expansion, decimal expansion is in 3.333. Dash is showing that it is not ending, it is continue to infinite. And 1 by 7 also 0.142857. 142857, this type of numbers are repeating and repeating, no, never ending. And for this type of repeating numbers, we have some usual notations here. The usual way for 10 by 3 equal to 3.333, if it is repeating, we can write 3.333 repeating, so 3 bar. 3 bar shows that 3 digit is repeating and repeating till infinite. In 1 by 7 also, 0.142857, 142857, 142857, these 6 digits are repeating in group. So on that group 142857 we put the bar, and it shows that 142857, 142857 will be repeating and repeating. So this type of numbers, when we are not getting the 0 on remainder, the remainder never becomes 0. This type of numbers are called non-terminating because it doesn't terminate at any stage. It has infinite digits. It is not terminating, so it is called non-terminating. But one more thing, some group of digits or some digits are repeating, so they are called recurring. Recurring means repeating. So this type of numbers are called non-terminating because they are not ending, and recurring because the digits or some group of digits are repeating. So this is the definition of terminating numbers and non-terminating number along with the recurring numbers. So this you have to learn very carefully, and you have to understand about the terminating and non-terminating numbers with recurring numbers also with the help of this example. This is in the primary level we were converting, and now we are noticing some remainders, and on the basis of remainder, if it is becoming 0 after some stages, that type of numbers are called terminating numbers. And if the remainder never becomes 0, they are called non-terminating numbers. This we have to